Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all safe and fine. So today's recipe is mango shake. So these are ingredients and now let's start the recipe. So first peel the mangoes and then cut into slices. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and also follow my Instagram and Facebook page. So friends, mango slices are done. Now add mangoes into a juicer jug. Now add some sugar according to your taste. Add a pinch of salt and add milk. I added 2 cups of milk. So friends, all the ingredients are in the juicer. So on the juicer and make the yummy mango milkshake. So friends, mango milkshake is ready. Now pour it into a jug and a glass and enjoy it. So friends, I hope you liked today's recipe and you enjoyed your whole summer with this yummy mango milkshake. So friends, if you liked today's video, kindly like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with me for the next video. Allah Hafiz.